Welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make roasted butter herb chicken. Yes, it's time for you to step up your chicken game. Alright, so first things first, we're going to spatchcock this chicken, which means we're going to cut out the backbone, and we're using some sharp kitchen scissors to take care of that. Now there's plenty of meat on this backbone, so you don't want to throw it away. What you can do is put this in the freezer and use it with one of our chicken soup recipes. And you want to cut off any excess fat like we've done there. And also wash the carcass out. You're going to have some kidneys and various organs hanging around on the inside. And then the next step is to just snap the breastbone. In case you're wondering why we remove the backbone, that's to make the chicken flat so it cooks evenly. Once the chicken is dry, go ahead and add some kosher salt and then place the chicken in the refrigerator. Now, you can skip this step if you want, but this is just a simple technique to dry out the skin while you're spending time on other things. And speaking of time, what we've got here is the poultry trifecta. We've got fresh thyme, fresh rosemary, and fresh sage. And usually you can get a package of this in your supermarket. But what you don't want to do is use dry herbs. You're not going to have the same experience and life is going to suck. Trust me, it's just, you may as well just go to KFC. And once you chop up all your herbs, it's time to chop up some garlic. And we've got about 4 cloves of garlic. And then we're going to add some lemon juice. So we're going to slice up a lemon. And then we're going to start putting everything together in a bowl. And we're going to add 2 sticks of soft butter. Why is it soft? Well, we left it on the countertop for like 30 minutes. And of course, soft butter means it's easy to work with. Look how easy that is. We're just stirring this up. Everything's good to go. And that's our mixture. Now here's the fun part. This is where you really get to work with your food. So you can see here, we're going to separate the skin from the chicken breast. And we're also going to do that from the chicken thigh. Now it's a little challenging to do that with the wings and the drumsticks, so we're not going to bother with that. But the basic idea here is to just shove as much of this herb butter under the skin as you can. So you can see that we've got a cookie sheet and we've got some aluminum foil so that we don't have a big mess to clean up. And we've also got one of these cooling racks. And that's going to elevate the chicken and keep it from getting overly soggy. Now you can see here that we're taking all the extra herb butter and we're just applying it to the outside of the chicken, followed by some lemon and the remainder of the chopped herbs. And now it's time to get fancy. We're going to grind up some black peppercorns and we're going to add that on top of the chicken. Okay, so we've got our oven preheated at 400 degrees and we're going to put this chicken in for 1 hour. And voila, just like that, we've reached 165 in the breast and about 170 in the thigh. Food porn moment. If you're getting hungry right now, that's because you need to make this recipe. And your family will love you for making this. Probably love you more than they've ever loved you before. So come on by manthat'scooking.com. We've got plenty of recipes there to keep you busy and happy. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. And also check out this chicken breast. Look at how perfectly cooked this is. And by the way, it's juicy and delicious. So thanks for watching this video. We hope you try this at home. Like, subscribe, give us some comments. Thanks for watching.